Hi beautiful people, and welcome back once again to the Active for Use channel. Thank you guys so much for all the love and the support. God bless you so much. I appreciate all the love and the support that you guys show me. God bless you. Please, if you are here and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Today on the menu, I'm going to share with you guys how to make this amazing Ghanaian goat meat light soup. Guys, this light soup was everything, and I know you will love the recipe. So let's go to the kitchen and let's make it happen. So here I added in about 2 teaspoons of olive oil to my saucepan, and then I just went ahead and added in 2 bay leaves to it. Then I gave it a stir for about 30 seconds, and then I went ahead and added in some chopped onions to it. This is about 1 medium-sized chopped onions. I'll leave everything in the description box below. I just added in some salted tilapia. You can add beef if you have it. Then I fried my onion for about 3 minutes. Then I went ahead and then added in about 3 teaspoons of tomato paste to it, and then I just went ahead. What I'm just adding in is my blended spice mix. I will leave everything in the description box below. So here I just went ahead to add in some Maggie stock cube, shrimp Maggie stock cube. Then I fried everything for about 5 to 8 minutes. At this time, I'm going to just go ahead and then add in my washed and cleaned goat meat. So this goat meat, what I did was that I washed and cleaned it, and I soak it in salt water. If you know me, I always soak my meat fish in salt water for it to have a good taste. So it was already soaked in salt water, so I just went ahead and then gave everything a stir this time. So I stirred it for about 8 minutes continuously in the sauce, and then I went ahead to add in a little bit of water, and then I covered it for it to cook for about 5 minutes. Then here I'm adding water to it, about 1 cup of water to it at this time, and then I will just go ahead and then stir it one more time again. So here I was just giving it a good stir, guys. Just look at the colors and everything, and that's meat marinating in that, steaming in that sauce right there, guys, was everything. So here I went ahead and then added in my smoked fish, guys. This soup, you want to have the taste of the smoked fish, but you don't want the smoked fish to take over the aroma and the taste and everything from the goat meat. You want everything to balance. You don't want each other to like take over the other. So here I covered it and I let it cook for about 8 minutes, and then I went ahead and added in my blended vegetables. That is tomatoes in there, there is onions in there, there is carrot in there, and a little bit of squash, yellow squash. So if you don't have yellow squash, you can just use garden eggs. If you don't have garden eggs and you have carrot, you can use carrot alone. You can mix the carrot with the garden eggs, or you can use garden eggs alone, but it will still come out nice. But it's better, I like it when I mix the carrot with the squash, because here I don't have the garden egg. So here I went ahead and then added water to it to the level that I wanted, and then I added in my mushrooms. Mind you, this mushroom was also like soaked in salt water as well. I wanted to have its own taste, you know, because I didn't add it to the soup from the start. So I added a little bit of salt at that time, and then here it is. Here I was just stirring the soup to see I don't want it to burn underneath, but mind you, my pot is so heavy so it won't burn underneath. So that is it. At this time my soup was cooking on a medium heat, and guys, this soup was everything. It was so yummy, and I bet you the aroma was everything. The only thing missing in my soup was okra, because I love okra, but I just cooked some on the side and I added it to my fufu when I was about to eat. So here it is, the soup is all ready at this time. So I cooked this soup. When I added the water to it, I let it cook for about 45 minutes because it was a lot of soup. And here it is, guys, it's all ready. Look at it. So I'm going to eat my with fufu, good old fufu, guys. This is it. You can eat yours with any swallow of your choice. Rice, drink it like that. Eat it with kenke. Eat it with whatever you have. Gari, like any swallow of your choice, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless you. And until we meet again, stay safe, stay out of trouble, and don't forget to be happy and enjoy this. Give it a try. Thank you so much. God bless.